Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to make page titles bold in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click Online Store. The Themes page opens. Find your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Click Edit Code. The Theme Files page opens. In Filter Files, search for base.css. You'll see a file named base.cs. Click it to open the store's appearance script. This code controls our store's entire look. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the last line, which is blank, press enter. Next, we'll visit host2b.net. The link's in the description and you'll find the code we need there. Just click the button to copy the code, then go back to Shopify and paste it in the blank line we left. After that, go to the top right and click the save button. Just click it. Once clicked, the changes are saved successfully. Now let's access our store. I'm here before the change, so let's refresh the page. The page title text is now changed and in bold, just as we wanted. The setup is complete and successful. I hope this video helped.